Welcome to the channel where we transform energy challenges into successful strategies. Today we will talk about how to adapt PV plus BESS projects to a constantly changing market. The image presents the key pillars to ensure competitiveness: technological innovation, operational optimization, and adaptation strategies. Ensuring competitiveness requires anticipating regulatory changes and adopting cutting-edge technologies to improve performance. The image highlights how regulatory updates affect the profitability and operability of projects. Regulations on network access, participation in ancillary services markets, and interconnection tariffs are constantly evolving. Staying current is crucial to meeting legal requirements and taking advantage of market opportunities. Partnering with forums and participating in regulatory discussions allows us to anticipate changes and adjust business strategies. Projects in Spain have optimized their revenues thanks to the flexibility to adapt to local regulations. The image illustrates emerging technologies such as redox flow batteries and advanced management systems, EMS. Integrating solid-state batteries and advanced technologies improves energy density and extends system life. This reduces operating costs and maximizes performance. EMS's optimized BESS operation, facilitating participation in frequency and flexibility markets. Pilot projects implementing these technologies have demonstrated significant increases in efficiency and profitability. The image shows how diversifying business models and adjusting strategies ensures stability in dynamic markets. By combining spot market sales with long-term PPAs and ancillary services, projects can reduce risks and stabilize revenues. The use of advanced data analysis and price forecasting allows profit margins to be maximized. Projects in Portugal have been able to increase their annual profitability by 15% through these combined strategies. The image highlights the importance of training teams in new technologies and participating in international events. Training technical and financial teams in tools such as PV and Homer Energy ensures efficient project management. In addition, attending international events such as Intersolar Europe fosters learning and networking with other industry leaders. Continuous training enables projects to remain competitive in a constantly evolving industry. The image summarizes the strategies needed to adapt: technological innovation, revenue diversification, and operational optimization. Implementing strategies that are flexible and aligned with regulatory changes ensures that projects remain sustainable and competitive over the long term. For example, projects in Germany have led the market thanks to their ability to adapt quickly to regulatory and technological changes. Today we have explored how to adapt to an evolving market through technological advances, regulatory strategies, and ongoing training. If you are ready to implement these strategies in your projects and maximize their success, contact me on LinkedIn for a personalized consultation. Let's work together to lead the future of renewable energy.